What does put on airs mean? To wear fancy clothing. To pretend to be better than others. To improve air quality. The correct option is B, to pretend to be better than others. Put on airs means to behave in a way that makes oneself seem more important or superior than others, often by displaying false attitudes or behaviors. Amber Heard was known to put on airs during interviews, while Johnny Depp remained grounded and authentic, reflecting their contrasting personalities in the public eye. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Go to our website, petrayvonenglish.com, for plenty of enjoyable exercises covering different vocabulary and grammar topics. Take care and see you in the next video.